Hello. Would you want a business growth strategy that will help you to turn all your customers, potential customers on, or any customer who comes across your business? Would you want to have a strategy that will help you to turn them into loyal customers so that you keep on having repeat sales? My name is Ike, and today we'll be taking a look at a strategy that most people overlook. That is a strategy of being able to turn every customer that comes to your business into loyal customers. Loyal customers who will help you to generate repeat sales. When I say repeat sales, what do I mean? Helping the customers who have come across your business, whether they bought or not, telling them to come back again to repeat the sales, and from there, they will become your loyal customers. To achieve this, there are steps you need to take. Now, these steps involve you being able to have a strategy to collect the details of every customer that comes to your business. Let me ask you, the front desk, customer care in your office, in your shop, when people come to you, do they have a way to collect their WhatsApp number, their email address, or their phone number? Do you have a website? Do you have a strategy of collecting all the visitors' details? On your social media, when you run adverts, do you have a strategy of collecting people's details, phone numbers, WhatsApp numbers, emails? If you don't have any of this, you are leaving money on the table. If you have any of this, you will keep on struggling to acquire new customers every time, every day. And let me tell you, it is very, very expensive getting new customers to your business. Compare that with having customers who must have bought before, customers who have patronized you. It is very, very cheap. It's cheaper turning them into loyal customers, into customers who would return back. It's very, very easy and it's very, very cheap. Compare them to you going out to get a new customer. So if your business is always focusing on getting new customers, coming to buy from you, then you still go out there to get new customers, you will get tired. So one of the easiest ways to grow your business in this digital age is by applying a strategy of collecting their details. Now it doesn't end there. Collecting their details is just one step. The second step is you must have a strategy of reaching out to these people. Your WhatsApp. Do you still do manual WhatsApp? There is a website I came across called Wamation. Well, Wamation, the bulk SMS site where you upload the phone numbers, type your message, and you click one click, the message goes to all of them. That was the bulk SMS message that we've been using all the years. Though they do not disturb thing came and scattered a lot of things, but that type of way, that style of sending out bulk message, you can still send bulk WhatsApp message now. One of the websites that will help you do that is Wamation. See, they are not paying for this advert, but the truth is this: we have used Wamation and we know the benefits of using Wamation, where you get all your numbers in one Excel sheet, type one message, and boom. In fact, it goes with their name. You could say, "Hello, Tina. This is this from Bismarck Technologies," or "Hello, Ada. We are here today." It could be personalized. So, do you have a strategy of collecting these details? Do you have a strategy of getting back to them? Personalizing the message. What about their emails? Do you have a strategy of sending them constant emails, coming up with email messages that will reach the heart of your customers? What about SMS? You can still send bulk SMS. There are so many platforms now that can even help you to know they do not disturb numbers and be able to reach people. The truth is this: because these people have contacted your business, some of them have bought from you. When you send them a message with your brand name, it's very, very easy for them to identify with you. Most of them will no longer see you as spamming them. Now take a look at this. Your business is at a particular period in the year where the business is too low, I mean things are not moving, and you pick up these numbers and construct a message and give them 20% discount, 10% discount or higher. Do you know what will happen? You will increase sales at that moment. The truth is this: if you have the details of your customers, your potential customers, people who are willing to buy from you, or those who have bought from you, those who have contacted you, that is one of the greatest assets to your business. Do not joke with these assets. But one thing I would want you to watch out for is this. Please don't go out there looking for phone numbers to buy in order to send bulk messages. Stop spamming people. And that is why it's very, very important you set out the strategies to collect these details. Like I mentioned before, when people visit your website, do you have a way of collecting their details? It's very, very important. On your social media platforms, can people reach you and send you WhatsApp? Now, when they send you WhatsApp and this WhatsApp drops, do you have a way, those in your customer care, or even yourself, if you are the one managing it, do you have a way of pulling out these numbers and saving them? Having a Excel sheet where you save these numbers as your customers. These customers they'll always be there. In your offices, do you have a way of collecting the details of everybody who walks into that office to make inquiries? Even if they are not ready to buy now, even if they cannot afford it now, just make sure you have these details. So now that you've been able to collect the details, you have a strategy of collecting the details of every customer that comes to your business, your website, your social media account or platform, you'll be able to collect these numbers. Now is what type of messages do you push across to them? Please avoid all the time you are sending buy. Even if you are giving discounts, let it not be everyday thing. Once in a while, you give them reasonable discounts and they will come, they will buy. But do you just keep the messaging to the time you have discounts? No. The same way I said, do not be bombarding them with, messages of come now, buy now, buy now. No. What you need to do is educate them. In your content marketing strategy, you should be able to come up with a way of educating your customers. If someone asked about, let's say you are selling shoes, and someone came to ask about shoes, a particular type of shoe, instead of telling that person to buy, talk about one good thing about those shoes and try to bring in your own values. What makes your own unique, your unique selling points? Educate them. Give them free information. See, no matter what you do, there are ways you can create free information and give to your customers. If you can be able to create things like ebook that will answer some of the major questions they ask, please create it and send it to them using this platform like WhatsApp, like email. When they read those things, believe me, some of the doubts they've been having will be cleared. Can you create short videos, upload them on platform like YouTube? Now, this is a very short video that could answer their questions, that will be able to help them clear their doubts, break that barrier that's making them not to come and buy. Create those videos, put them on YouTube, put the link in your WhatsApp message or your email and push to them. Educate your customers. See, most customers will buy, happily buy, not just buy. Most customers will happily buy and even refer you to their friends if you're able to educate them, if you're able to show them the reason why they should buy from you, if you're able to show them why your own is better than the other person, the other competition. Now the point is, if you don't have their details, they just come to your office or your website and disappear, you don't have their details, how do you, help them to see reason to buy from you? Now, like the one most people do, when there is, a new arrival, when you have new arrivals and there's this discount you are running, how do you get across to your customers? So if you want to grow your business faster, please build that business asset, which is the contact details of all your customers. Start from there. Pay attention to that. Even if they are not buying, collect their details. Because they are unable to afford it today, does not mean they will not be able to afford it tomorrow. If anybody asks you, please remove my number from your contact, please remove it. It's as simple as ABCD. But also avoid spamming people. going out there to buy phone numbers from people you don't know, like after election, after census, people buy all sorts of numbers. Avoid that. Or set out traps, set out strategies. It could be content marketing strategy that will help you to collect your customer details in your office. Whenever anybody steps in, find a way to collect their details. Ask for it. Seriously, people will give you. If you have not been doing this, you'll be leaving money on the table. Find a way to start this strategy today, and you will be surprised on the result you will see. So, if you have any question, if there is something that is not clear, please put it in the comment section. We will be able to answer you. My name is IK. There are so many ways you can grow your business, and I have given you one today. Pay attention to this, implement it, and make it work for you so that you'll be able to grow that business in this digital age.